probably in the upper, about 90 right now. So hopefully that'll keep a lot of people away. But it should be cooler up towards the top. But it's I think it's about 12 miles there and back trail. So I wish it continued through. Not really sure where it ended up. Not sure where it came out at. Bikes are handled differently with all this camping gear on them. Starting to get up into the tree line now, so it'll be a little bit nicer ride, but I'm pretty sure we come back out of this for a little bit. Maybe we're going to take a break here. We really wanted was already taken. It's just nice because there's a water source there. It's really good. It's really cold, but that's all right. We'll find another spot. He was leaving today, but not until this evening. I don't want to wait till this evening to get a spot. Here we are at our campsite up on top of, well, not the very top, but Santa Rosa Mountains. And it's an undisclosed location because I really don't know where we're at. But it's a nice spot. Got a nice view of the valley over here. The weather's perfect. There's a little bit of a breeze. What do you say, Tim? 80 maybe? In the sun, in the shade, it's perfect. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, it's beautiful up here. Perfect weather. So we're gonna be getting camp set up here in a bit and get dinner going. But yeah, we got a good spot. Okay, so we kind of got camp set up a little bit. Got our sleeping arrangements. That's Tim's tent, complete with garage. He said he's not putting his bike in here. I'm a little upset about that. I don't think we're going to open the door on that side, but There's his living quarters. It looks kind of small right now because the wind's blowing the tent in. But yeah, I mean, I can, in the garage, I can stand up. So, I hope he puts his bike in so we can see the bike in there. But yeah, it's a little breezy, so it was a little bit of a struggle to put up, but now that it's up, looks like it should work. We'll see. So you come over here to the other side of the tracks where the slums are, and we have the mesh tent, air mattress, air pillow, a sleeve over the air mattress, and that's pretty much it. That's what we're gonna have this trip. I have the rainfly, it's beautiful. There's not going to be any rain, I'll guarantee it. Maybe a little dew in the morning or something, I don't know, but right now that's not going to bother me a bit. So yeah, just so far it's just been a beautiful trip. So we're both making fajitas.
Yeah, fajitas, tacos, whatever you want.
Whatever they end up looking like.
I thought of something or other. I got my street taco shells right here.
Yeah, those look good. I've got onions and bell peppers going over here. A problem. Take two. So, we're cooking. Anyway, no cooking out here goes without some sort of problem. All right, just finished up dinner. $1 million view. So it was a really good dinner. Everything worked out good. I didn't actually catch us on fire. That was a big plus too. So we're gonna relax for a little bit, have a couple drinks.
Will. You get used to it.
Just figuring out that perfect area. Effervescent was the first possible. Still smell it.
Effervescence, huh? I love it.
You like that? I kind of wonder if the squirrels are going to show up and take some of our stuff.
It doesn't look like they touched anything.
This isn't working very well. Karen jammed stuff here and I can't get it out.
She didn't cut the pieces small enough. Well, she meant well, Dave.
Yeah.
That's right.
Maybe I was premature in lighting that.
Maybe you were what?
A little premature in lighting that. Yeah, I can't get all the good stuff out. Oh, here it comes. It's coming.
Keep yanking it, Dave. It'll come out.
Just like the first time. this chunks of butter. Ooh-wee. I don't know about this.
My butter came out chunky too.
Good.
Yeah. Oh, my butter chunks weren't that big though.
Okay, let's try this again.
You can try this stove if you want, Dave.
Well, I'm already on it.
Sure?
Yeah. Thank you, though. I'm sure I could make this into a big disaster. I'm not much of a breakfast person anyway, so if it gets ruined, it's not the end of the world. So I had 3 eggs, sausage, cheese, bell peppers, all in this little bottle. Oh, and some butter. The thing is with these burners like this, the real small ones, they're great when you're just doing water. But if you're actually trying to cook something other than water, they don't work very well. They concentrate the heat all in one spot. It just doesn't work well for these applications. I'm sure I'm going to burn the crap out of this, but you work with what you got. So, okay. That's how it came out. I suppose it's not the prettiest, but I think it'll work. Not bad. Alright, well, we got camp all picked up and bikes are loaded up. It's a good camp out. No real problems. So I think that's going to be it. About ready, Timothy?
Yes, sir.
Alright, we're going to hit the trail out of here. So that should be about it. Anyway, so click the like button and subscribe and go hit the trails.